Okay, I got your question here about Chebyshev rule 3.2. At one point, the average price of regular unleaded gas was $3.56. Assume the standard deviation per gallon was 9 cents and use Chebyshev's inequality to answer the questions. What percentage of gasoline had prices within 2 standard deviations of the mean? Well, right here's Chebyshev's rule. That's 1 minus 1 over k squared. The quantity of that times 100. K is the number of standard deviations. This is on page 133 if you like to read about it in the book. So in this first part, you just want to put 2 in here and then do the arithmetic. And so it would be 1 minus 1 over 2 squared. 2 squared is 4, so it would be 1 minus a fourth. Put that in your calculator, and that comes out to 0.75 times 100. 75% of the data, so 75 would go here. 75% of the data is within 2 standard deviations. Then this next part here, they want you to repeat it, but use 2.5 instead of 2. So you just put 2.5 here, square, or put it in your calculator, come up with a percentage. Now they do have another part here. What are the gasoline prices that are not that are within 2.5 standard deviations? So the standard deviations is 9 cents. So you multiply that 2.5 cent times 9.09 to 9 cents, and you get 0.225. And so you want to add and subtract that from the average. So you take 3.56, you would subtract this 0.225, and you would add this 0.225, and that would answer this question here. And I'll let you work on the last part. Hope this helps.